bad name. Because why? I really don't know. Dottie is an American pit bull, a red-nosed pit bull, and some other breed of pit bull. She's not that vicious. She knows how to sit, shake, and beg. Girl. Yeah. Smart dogs. I don't see why they have such a bad name. Better eat that. Come here, Dottie. Dottie, come here. Sit.
The mucus queen is yours.
Such a bad dog right there.